Hello, I'd like to talk today about this brilliant project that we're doing, and we're going to paint a mural. We have to use aerosol cans, which are quite dangerous, so we have to wear masks, goggles and of course an apron. When we've finished our mural, which is going to be amazing, it goes up in our local railway station. So we can go and we can view it, and we'll be very posh, like proper artists.
I'm going to give you the tape.
Off the edge.
Yep. Try and draw the, that's it, make it that. So, stop where your thumb is, ripping it. Lovely. We start it to go down. So, attach the corner. Got the expert helping you.
I'm in Barnes Green School and I'm 9 years old. Over here we have Wayne, who's doing a stencil for our school, and here are some boards that we painted. There's just a little bit of dust on them. We painted these with spray cans. We had to push down, one push at a time. And these two boys have made nice t-shirts. Like everyone has made one, as you can see mine's very nice. And over there are the spray cans that the artists are using. There's all the stencils. And yeah, I think that's about it. Talking to you about what you have to use to keep yourself protected from the spray can. First of all, you have to have goggles to protect your eyes, and then you have to put on gloves so that you can protect your hands from getting hurt. You get a respiration mask, and you put it inside, and then you put it on. And you can't really hear through them because it makes your voice sound really quiet. My name's Felicity. I would like to thank on the behalf of the other children that work with Wayne and Getty to say thank you. Thank you, Wayne and Katia! My name's Lenora and I'm going to be talking to you about spray cans. As you can see, a spray can because it has these balls and there's chemistry in it. To spray it, you have to put this cap on and twist it so you could spray it. My name is Cuba. I'm really thankful to the school and the train station for allowing us to do the art, the graffiti lesson.
Guys, for now you go straight on. Hold this corner for me. I'd like you to hold this can. Let me get your goggles, hold on.
For a little bit, yes.
Down the park.
Yeah? Okay, you only need one hand. That's it. Because we're professionals now. That's it. Is this your first go? Alright, you're a professional now. Make sure you keep holding that hand.
You're good, you was good. You could stand up there if you want.
Thank you. Brilliant. Let me know if your finger feels uncomfortable, okay? Don't suffer in silence.
So we picked the three colours, pink, red and purple, and we put the pink first, the red and then the purple. Earlier today we made a tally chart on which of the colours that we would like to use. We had the options of pink, purple, orange, red, brown and green. And then we had like both in it. And then that was these ones as our favourite colours.
Right, and now we have our class creating and finishing off their own sort of design. Also finishing off the stencils to our boards and everyone's creating their own and gathering together to make their join together to create the final piece.
So you have pre-made stencils cut out that spell Drayton Park, and we're gonna spray it over the board, over the three boards, and inside the stencils we are going to put the Arsenal Stadium for it and make a change to the other bit.
Hello, my name is Francis and I go to Scott St Mary Magdalen Academy. This is the mask that you have to wear for health and safety, enable you to not breathe in the fumes. And if you turn it upside down, it's a bit like a fly. But to apply it, you just put it on and you strap it around the back and strap this on, and this helps you be safe.
Why are you doing that again? Because it would add a little bit of texture as well. Yeah, by the time you're going across now. Generally, yeah. Sometimes I kind of think about just making because if there's going to be buildings or whatever underneath, I kind of don't, but I think he might want it all in blue. I have a couple more goals and then we can ask him. I think start doing the cross now again. No, you pass it on T and then let somebody else start that. And then I think once we had another little go, we'll just ask him to see what how he does want it. Yeah, that's number what? Number 2.
I'm Cameron from Harlington Upper School, and today we were spray painting a mural. We started off by painting these boards blue, and then we started painting the patterns onto them, all using spray paints, different colours to make it look more interesting.
Right, so if you look at kind of like the paints, like as the paint's coming out, I'm thinking of this paint. This is my paintbrush, yeah. So I'm just thinking the end of the paint is the end of my paintbrush. Even though I'm holding a big pan in my hand, that's how I'm kind of thinking of it.
Okay, I'm Manson. In the beginning of this project we had like a bit of a briefing and then like a demonstration how to like spray paint and all that. And then we started working on the boards. We spray painted blue because that's the background. And that one group was doing that, another group was like putting the mask on and like getting air and breathing.
From today's experience, I've met new people that even though I go to the same school as them, I never really spoke to them. And from this I met new people, and then because it's going in the train station, it will like mix different people together because everyone will see it and it's not got like a language to it, so everyone will be able to interpret it in that way. And I think it's been a good experience.
Hello, my name is Taylor Hager from Harlington Upper School, and I will be recapping on the work that we've done today. And to show what we had to do is we had to like cut all the way around there, put this aside until we've done everything. And we had to put it back together like a jigsaw puzzle, and that's pretty much it.
Did nobody spot that? Of course not. And this is who? Miss who again? I'm video recording now.
Stop doing close-ups of me.
Shouldn't say that to him.
My name is Connor Barkley, our school is Harlington Upper School, and basically today we've been learning how to use spray paint and to create art from it. We started off by learning how to spray paint the cans, and we learned what are the parts of the spray paint can. We then went on to actually using them and developing our art.
For you guys, like just initially, like go 1, 1, 1. So I'm doing more than one thing here. I'm counting and I'm pressing, yeah. 1 second, and I'm moving, yeah. Now I don't expect you guys to like come here and go instantly. Yes, and while I'm talking to you, be able to think at the same time, yeah. I don't expect you to be able to do that. But as soon as you pick up the can and come towards the paint the board, don't just count like that, yeah? I'm going to show you, this cap we've got on now is a medium cap. It's probably the best kind of cap for you guys to use. It's called a banana cap because it can rock back and forth. I don't know who named it, it wasn't me. This is what they call it in the shop. So this is a medium cap. It doesn't make the paint come out too fast. It doesn't make the paint come out too slow, yeah? Say that's my starting line. The next line I do, I try to slightly overlap it with the line before it. So you can see where the concentration of the paint is here, 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 and it's more feathery or fluffy on both edges. Don't worry about trying to get it completely block blue like this straight away. Just work on your first coverage. Doesn't matter if it looks like that, because all that will happen is when you've done your first layer, your second layer, you just fill in any bits that you didn't get first time round, yeah?
So he's not chasing any kind of white bits, okay, yeah?
The urge to paint your finger is high.
Not doing something for young ones. Yeah,
right, so this is the medium cap, yeah? This guy here is called an Astro cap.
Could you hold the board for me?
Or a fat cap, yeah? Point of it, yeah? To 9 o'clock, imagine 9 o'clock, or just hold it to your side, yeah? Push it down and twist it a bit. Always away from yourself, okay? Because paint don't taste nice. Just don't, I've tried it, it don't taste nice. When you're taking it off as well, the cap will be facing forwards. Pinch it, like you don't really like it, pinch it and just pull the can. Yeah? Yeah? No? Yeah? All of you are going to have a go, so I'll make sure you can do it. Right, let's do some painting now.
Because the light will be coming in from that side, there's a shadow coming from this. This side's a darker and the light kind of looks like a reflection of the windows.
Right.
And now we just got to wait for the tree to dry so we can pick these bits up.
Excellent, thank you.
And you did the base colour, and then you created the movement with the colours and the lines and the masking tape.
Which is great work. Thank you for coming in.
Oh, my hands are dirty.
It's alright, don't worry.
Good.
Hello.
I'm glad. Thanks for letting us into your school.
Fantastic. And looking forward to seeing them in the station, did you say?
Yes.
So how will they be in the station? Will they be covered in Perspex or will they be in different medium?
Similar medium, plus acrylic as well. We've got a special anti-graffiti coating that's going to go over them basically, just so they get longevity out of them. I believe it's Hatfield Station, and Hatfield is the walk bridge that crosses over the rail. That's where the boards will be displayed. I think at the moment it's heavily tagged with random scribble, so obviously it's to bring something that's more worked up and involves the local community.
And this last one, what is Elizabeth I?
Yes, Elizabeth I. So you've got to forgive me because it's the Londoner, so I don't know. I know Elizabeth I obviously, but what we've kind of done is where the young people submitted pictures, a lot of them kind of cross-reference Elizabeth because of her heritage and history to here. This building Lord Salisbury.
Salisbury, Hatfield House.
There you go. The tree, the bombers from the World War II. So those are the kind of the same imagery is what we're reproduced on a bigger scale for the train station.
That's good. And how big will it be?
Well, from memory, the height is at least 4 meters, and I believe the actual bridge was 30 something meters.
Fantastic.
Yeah, crazy. I can't remember exactly, forgive me, because we're coming to the end of all our workshops and they're starting to merge at the moment. If this was the first one, I could tell you exactly.
That was great. Well, thank you for that. That was great.
You're more than welcome.
And you see, we've done other stuff before. Artists and residents. Yeah.
The 8 and 9 students have been working with 2 mural artists who've been commissioned by First Capital Connect and Network Rail to produce a piece of artwork that will go up in Hatfield train station. It's a fantastic opportunity for our students as we're a business and enterprise school, and they're going to be basing the project on the area's heritage. So the students have been researching the connections with Hatfield House, Queen Elizabeth I who lived there, and the British Aerospace history where they created fighter jets for the First World War. So all of those features will be part of the mural, and we're really pleased that our students have this fantastic opportunity. Really stinky, but it's
What we need to do is use the spray mount.
Are you videoing?
I am now.
You can hear me now.
These are my little bits that I break away. You will have that. Yeah, you will have that. Oh no, yours is that end actually, because there's two, should be two. Yeah, so it's that, so it goes off. Detail wise, only got consequences. You guys
Oh, only for homo.
The stencil, so we did the BMX guy, and we had lots of different parts which we had to take off, and then we put on different shades of grey. And now we're doing a plane, and we are deciding on what colours to do which bit. So over here, and we're gonna do the main body camo, which means that we're gonna use different colours and just do little bursts of paint, and then we're going to do the cockpit black and clouds over there.
Hi, my name is Michael, and we've been told to do 3 lines in masking tape, and so they all match. So when we put them together, they look like it's all the same. We think so we're allowed to do whatever we want, so in any direction or any shapes. So we've decided to kind of go for like kind of vertical at the end, so it looks nicer. And yeah.
experts at all, yeah? So don't worry about that. As you paint, I'll give you helpful hints like back, forward, yeah? So when I say back and forward, I don't mean you, I mean the can, yeah? When I say back, everyone always goes, so back would mean move back, yeah? Forward means move forward, obviously, yeah? Always try it and keep a nice, you don't have to press the cap really hard, you can, just as I start to press it, the paint will come out, yeah? So you don't have to go like that, so there's, in the sound that you hear, you want it to be kind of nice, gentle, and then we stop talking and let you guys start spraying. Who's first? You two can spray at the same time, you're the closest to the house, let's go. Yeah, I'm the person that's gonna... They was the worst kind of paints you could actually use, because they were just full of lead and used for cars and metal. So like a lot of early graffiti writers have respiratory problems because of spraying in like tunnels and spraying with lead based.
Cue tracks.
So we've started making the spray paint mounts for the Potters Bar Station mural, and we started just to get an introduction to spray paints, all the different types, the safety with them, and then we started spray painting the boards, putting the base layer, and then adding the colours and the strips, and we're just working with a range of people from different age groups in that year group, kind of bringing Mount Grey School together.
My name's Daniel Keogh from Mount Grey School, and I'm from Mount Grey. We've been producing a mural for Potters Bar Station, which you can see in the background. I've been using this to the fumes that the spray paint is giving out. To the background, we've been doing mask making, which uses paper and the masking tape to let so we can spray certain areas and keep some areas.
My name's Sarah and I'm from Mount Grace, and we've been working on the Potters Bar murals to sit in Potters Bar. We started on boards, and before we did that we had to wear masks. This is one of the masks we had to wear. And then we had aprons as well, just in case of the paint. We also wore gloves.
Yeah, so first thing we're going to do, split you up and get you to spray the balls. Once the balls are sprayed, we're going to use masking tape and paper to create these lines down the bottom. It doesn't have to be these colours. Out of the colours that we've got, you guys can change it, pick different colours, yeah? So basically it's like the blue, then let's say 3 bands of colour, yeah? And then all the stencils will be ready by the time you've done that. We're going to do it in that order because we need drying time, so once you spray, we need time for the balls to dry before we can apply stencils and stuff like that. So that's our main enemy.
I'm Annie and this is Dougal and we're from Mount Grey School.
We would like to thank our teacher, Mr Page and Mr Baker, for involving us in this spray painting project, which is for Potters Bar train station, and
Also, we would like to thank Wayne and...
I forgot your name. Why did I say Wayne? I forgot his name.
Like, so if you look at kind of like the paints, like as the paint's coming out, I'm thinking of this paint. This is my paintbrush, yeah. So I'm just thinking the end of the paint is the end of my paintbrush. Even though I'm holding a big pan in my hand, that's how I'm kind of thinking of it. Then, what we can paint is that. So we need a cap out of a small plastic bag. Where did I start? How old are you? 14. No, maybe a bit earlier, because when I was younger, there was only 3 or like one room. So, like I said, there was no internet, none of the rest of that. That's why that's in there. We may put it in there, we may not, yeah? So we can just adapt the artwork that we're doing here today. Also, when we go, you guys can still add things. So I know you've got a stone. Is there a stone, isn't it? Here you go, haha. So, in all the pictures that we tried to research with, we couldn't find out what was actually written around, or what was, there's a metal plate or something in here, so we didn't know what was on there as well. So I'm suggesting that
I'm Georgia Martin, I go to Meridian School, and today we kind of started out by practicing the spray paints on boards, and then we had before that we had a health and safety session about how to use them, and we created a board with a background and put masking tape for different lines, and we also did stencils, so we spray painted stencils to make things.
Hello, today we're talking about the masks.
These are the 2 different types of masks that you can get.
These are the masks you wear underneath. This is what we have our own ones of these, and you place them inside.
It stops the vapour from getting into your system.
And this is how it looks. This helps you to breathe. and today we were doing a workshop with 2 artists for the train station mural, and we were spray painting a lot using stencils, and we used the big gas masks, but first we had to put on these, and they're like paper ones, and yeah, they go like that, and it was really fun, and I had a good time. What's your name?
Meridian School.
Hi, I'm Annie, and this is Dougal, and we're from Mount Grace School.
We have been involved in a spray painting competition. Oh my god.
They don't need to know about me. Not doing it yet, are you? Okay, so today our year 8 and 9 students have been working with these wonderful mural artists who've been commissioned by Capital Network Rail. I said that wrong. Who were they commissioned?
So what they're doing is they're taking off the masking tape. Okay. They're taking off the masking tape so that you can see all the different colours. And then afterwards they're going to be doing the stencils, which adds extra detail to them, and yeah.
What food are we seeing?
What am I saying? Here's what we've done earlier. Come back later and see the progress. I love Gatta. And this is and this is the final piece in the meanwhile, or is that a separate one?
This is a... Oh wait.